In this video we're going to go through how to access the camera menu setup options on an analog camera connected to a ProView recorder. So first thing is to check is we're going to go into the configuration menu, go to the camera setup option, and we're going to select the camera that the analog camera is plugged into. We're going to make sure that it's currently in DVR mode, and we're going to enable UTC, which means we'll be able to access the camera menus through the PTZ controls on the recorder. So once we've checked that that's enabled, click OK, bring the camera up into its full screen mode, right click the mouse button, and then select PTZ controls. So I can now use PTZ controls to bring the camera menu settings up, change the camera settings on the camera connected. So I'll then be able to change the camera settings, use the arrow keys to apply any changes. And then once I've applied my required changes, I can then just go back